Hello everyone. Hope everything is fine at your end. Today we are going to study the story The Fun They Had from Beehive book. Now before starting with this story, I would like to state some of the learning outcomes that are expected of you. You should be able to learn and understand about robots and robotic teachers. You should be able to comprehend the theme of this science fiction. You should be able to relate to the human nature even if the characters live 200 years in future, and you should be able to analyze the difference between old kind of school and schools with mechanical teachers. Now, The Fun They Had is a story with which you will be very easily you'll be able to connect yourselves considering the present situation, because it is a story by Isaac Asimov and is a futuristic story set in 2157 AD. The story writer envisions what the schools and education system will look like in 23rd century, where there would be no school buildings. You will be having mechanical robot teachers, or learning will be going on through computers, which is happening at the moment. In this lockdown situation, we are having or going through this new normal where the school buildings have the normal school have been converted to online virtual classrooms. So very easily you will be able to connect yourselves with this story. So I would like to state the summary of this story for you. Now, this is a futuristic story set in 2157 AD. The story writer envisions what the schools and education system will look like in 23rd century. The Fun They Had story opens with Margie writing in her diary about an old book that Tommy had found. Margie and Tommy were brother and sister. And it's the year 2157, where computers dominate everything. Moreover, it also shows how the concept of schools and classrooms has transformed completely. It's the year 2157, and Margie is writing in her diary about how Tommy found a book. This book was of Tommy's grandfather when he was a little kid. Margie learns about how they used to print all the stories on paper back then. So gradually, Margie learns about how the real paper books looked like. Further, they read the book themselves and find the feeling of turning pages over rather funny. It was funny because they were not in the habit of reading still words, only ones in motion, that too on a screen. We learn that in the future there are no books, only telebooks. They store them in TV sets and computers. After that, it takes an interesting turn when they discuss school. Margie learns that schools were very different back then. They had actual persons who were teachers, humans who were teachers. It is surprising because she has only robots which teach her at regular hours. They have robots as teachers. And most importantly, her school is next to her bedroom. It is a room full of electronics, robots, and gadgets. The computer software teaches her everything. When Margie attends her school after learning about the earlier ones, she starts wondering, When she starts studying, she cannot help but think about the earlier days. She does not like school because a lot of reasons. Because of lot of reasons. The school she studies does not have any classmates. In fact, it doesn't even have recess or playground. Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom. They have robots as teachers. And when Margie attends school and she sits to study in front of her robotic teacher, she wonders about the fun her grandparents would indulge in. She imagined kids from different neighborhoods coming together merrily to attend school. So, this was the way Margie understood how their school is different from the school that used to be there years back. The fact that they were taught the same thing amused her. It was because everyone would help each other out with the homework. Thus, in the end, she is left wondering about the fun they had. So, about the fun they had, the title of the story actually refers to the fun the children had in attending school hundreds of years back, when there was a special building called school and human teachers used to teach them, and children used to come from all over the places, and they used to assemble together according to their age level and studied with their friends, enjoying the learning and enjoying the recesses and doing everything together. So this is actually this is the fun that is referred to by the title of the story, the fun they had. Thank you.